dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your tagging problems with your Instagram on your iPhone. So first thing, just close your Instagram app and just open again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to App Store, just find in search tab Instagram, just tap Instagram. And if you see here update, just tap on update. So just download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just tap on Wi-Fi, just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Also, you need to find your general, just scroll down, just find your shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general, just find your software update, just wait until it will check for updates. And if you have here available updates, just tap on download and install it on your phone. And if you still have this issue, so just try to remove your Instagram app, just tap on Instagram app and just choose delete app. After, just go to App Store, go to search tab and just write in search tab Instagram and just download and install your Instagram app again on your phone. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.